Welcome to the wonderful world of Plickers. So there's lots of assessment tools out there. Why would we pick Plickers? 3 reasons. It allows for quick and super easy assessment as long as you have the papers required. It will record the grades for you in a spreadsheet for you to have access to later on. And probably most importantly, the kids don't need devices, so there's no login, there's no slow, laggy internet access, there's no need for anything like that. All the kids need is a piece of paper. You, however, will need the app on your iPad or your phone, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So, to get started, once you go through the login screen and you create your account in Plickers, Plickers is smart enough to realize that you're going to want to get up and running. So it's going to show you 4 things on the screen that you need to do with a checklist. It's going to ask you to get the mobile app on your phone or iPad. It's going to have you create some questions to ask, and it'll link to do that. It's going to make a class or ask you to make a class and add some students. And lastly, it'll have you get the cards. Now, you can buy them on Amazon for $20 and they're laminated, but it's a heck of a lot easier just to hit print and do it for free. So let's talk about how you're going to print those cards. So using the screencast here, we're going to go to this website. We're going to go to plickers.com, and the help page will look like this with a globe. The Plickers cards are linked right there for you, and if you hit click get Plickers cards, it'll give you some different options. I like the large font ones. There's no charge for any of those. And they look like this when you get them. So there's 2 per page on the font, on the large font ones. And then what you have to do, simply just go to print and make sure that you set your settings for one-sided only, because if you do 2-sided, then the kids are going to get all screwed up. So just do one-sided only, and it'll print off enough for your class. I think it prints 40, and then you should be good to go. Once those print out, all you need to do is cut them in half and give each student their corresponding number. You'll notice on each of them it has a number on the edge right here, and then you're ready to rock. Then you're going to create your class. To do that, to create your class, you're going to go to plickers.com and you're going to find your name and go to new class. When you do, you're going to type in the name of your class, and we'll put on the name of this class will be that one day at Tech Camp. So we'll add the class, create the class. Now that you've created your class, all you need to do is hit add students, and you can add them one at a time. Now, it's not like Google Classroom where the kids can populate the class on their own, as far as I know. You do have to type them in. So we'll add Darren's name here, and then we'll click done. Now, obviously, you're going to have more than one student, but that's how you do it. So now that we have a class and we've added our students, please notice that the Get Start list shows that we have now created our class and we're 25% done with the 4 things that we need to do. The next thing we'll do is create a question set. So to do that, we're going to go to our homepage, click New Set, and it's really simple, really easy. Your default comes up with a question. Type in your sample question up in the text box, and then type in your answers. It gives you 4 to start. You can add more, you can take them away. We'll just put answer A, B, and C for this one. Then what you'll need to do, and you'll notice that it saves automatically, you're going to need to mark which one is the correct answer so it knows how to grade them. If, however, you want to do a survey, so there's no correct answer, just click the survey at the top of the screen, and now it won't matter what you do. The other thing that you want to do here is give your set a title. So we'll put title goes here. We've now created a survey and we're all set and ready to go. You can add it, you can print it, and now we'll go back to our home page. You'll notice now that our set is there, title goes here, and if you want to edit it later on, super easy to do. Hit the arrow, hit edit set, and we'll add another question. To add a question, you just hit the plus button. Go ahead and add your next question. So we'll type in another question. And this one we'll do a little bit differently. If you just do 2, you can do it a true false. But what we'll do here is we will shuffle, or we will add some questions, and we will get rid of our 2 extra choices. So we've got an A and a B. But then if you change your mind, you say, oh no, I really need to add more, just click the add choice and add as many as you'd like. And you can delete them and add as you want. If you'd like to insert an image, just click Add Insert Images and go ahead and add one. So if you have an art class or you're using documents, all set and ready for you to do. So at this point, you've got your class created, you've got your question set. All you really need to do is play your quiz and have your kids hold up the applicable answer, and it will record it automatically into your Plickr dashboard. Good luck with Plickers.